video lecture is concerned with the assign node in Awesome. The assign node is located on the network editor over here on the first group of nodes. So if you click and drag and deposit the assignment node, this allows you to assign values to awesome variables. Typically, the variables that are used are things like the attribute variables, so the attrib vector, the ltrib vector, or the strib vector. It's pretty simple to use. You can add a node label, whatever you'd like, and then the variable consists of the variable to assign a value to, say, attrib1, and we could set it to a value of 1. Click the insert button and it goes in the list of items. If we click OK, then this assignment is indicated and shown on the assignment node. If I want to add more, for example, say I wanted to increment an attribute value, I could say attrib2 equals attrib2 plus 1. Insert this, and it gets added to the set. I can assign a random variable to an attribute. So if I want to say assign attribute 3, to a sample from the exponential distribution, I can do that. So I send it to expon, random number stream 1, insert that, and that's added as well. So click OK, and now I have an assignment node that I've set attrib1 to a value of 1. I've incremented attrib2 by 1, so whatever its old value is, I add 1 to it, store it back in attrib2, and I take a sample from the exponential distribution and put it in attribute 3. This is pretty much it for the assignment node. You can have as many assignments as you want. There's the max take parameter where we select the maximum number of outgoing branches. But otherwise, that's about it as far as the assignment goes. Typically used quite a bit to assign attributes, but you can also assign other variables like the SS array, which are state variables, or the XX array, which are global variables, like which we discussed in class, or a global set of attributes. And that concludes this lecture.